I just cooked the best tasting bird I've ever eaten in my life. Goose. It's looking like a real Game of Thrones feast up in here. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to make this dinner from scratch in this video. I think lots of people feel intimidated to cook geese because of all the fat they have, but the goal is to separate the fat from the meat so you can use it in cooking all the side dishes. Natural animal fat will make just about anything taste way better. Geese are waterfowl, so they're going to have more fat than, say, a chicken or turkey because in the wild, geese have to stay warm in extremely cold waters. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Saadat Faiz, and I'm an artist, writer, and a content creator, as well as the author of the book, Iconic Animals of the North, a fact-filled exploration of northern wildlife. This YouTube channel is centered on wildlife and nature, but every once in a while, I like to throw in a cooking video like this one where I use ingredients that come from environment-friendly farming methods. So let's hop right into cooking this goose. Step 1 is I need some coffee. Cooking any large bird like a turkey, or in my case, a goose, is kind of a monumental task. I've cooked plenty of turkeys in my life for Thanksgiving, so it isn't like a challenge for me anymore, but it's still time consuming. If you're cooking a big bird yourself, instead of doing it all in one day, I recommend you split it all up into 2 days, which is what I always do, and it's what I did for cooking this goose. The first day you can make the chicken stock and season your bird, and the next day you can do everything else with a much more lightened load of stuff to do. And for the sake of the environment and our health, I'm going to tell you just where exactly I acquired this goose. I drove about an hour to a farm in Ontario, Canada, owned by my good friend Nicole. She really knows what she's doing when it comes to running a farm and raises her animals with love and care. All the animals on her farm radiated joy, and I couldn't feel better knowing that the packaged goose I bought from her had a great life and was raised and dispatched with the utmost respect. I mean, just look at these goats and Nicole's horse, Muffin Man, running up to greet us. Now, just sit back, relax, and watch me cook up a feast fit for a king.
Looking at you and wanting you so, knowing that you want me. Certainly my hour moment will come, certain as I can be.
hope you guys enjoyed following me as I cooked this goose. Now I'm just carving it to the best of my ability so I can fill up my plate and let you guys know how it tastes. Here's a great slice. I'll grab a drumstick as well. Can't forget that goose gravy. Man, am I excited to try this. Cooking this was almost exactly the same as cooking a turkey. Now, I'm just curious if the taste is any different. Alright, finally, time to try it. Jesus! Guys, I was not kidding when I said this is the best tasting bird I've eaten in my life. There's just so much fat and flavor to the meat alone. It tastes almost like red meat. Even the leftovers were delicious, and oddly enough, they seemed to taste better and better as the days went by. I didn't have to worry about dinner for nearly a week, and I never got sick of eating the goose. There's so much variety in one animal if you eat all of it, including the collagenous tendons and nutritious organs. The important part is knowing where and how the animal was raised for the sake of your health, the environment, and the life of the animal. Hey, so if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Liking the video really does help people discover my tiny YouTube channel, so if you gave it a like, thank you. This is actually the first ever long form video I've ever created, and there will be many more to come. Like, I'll definitely post a video about my quail hatching project, so stay tuned for that. I've kept chickens in the past, and I'm really excited to try my hand at raising quail. Can't be much harder than chickens. They're like a tenth of the size. Also, if you want, you can start reading my book for absolutely free right now on Amazon.com by clicking on the Look Inside feature. I've included a link for that in the description of this video. So thanks for watching. Until next time, and remember, keep it wild.